Hey everybody, it's Chase here. Today we got a real quick spotlight for you. It's the Floppy Foot Peg kit for the KTM 390s from Tusk. From the first time we got this bike, we noticed right away that the passenger foot pegs were just flopping around, and in some cases on harder impact, they would actually go all the way down. So they just weren't very secure. We didn't like how floppy they were. So we made a little shim kit just to fix that, and it's this right here. It's just 4 of these little shims, 2 per side. They just go right in there on your stock foot peg mount, and it just cleans that up and makes it to where there's a lot less play and you don't have to worry about those coming down on those bigger impacts. So if you have a KTM 390, again, all models, grab this Floppy Foot Peg fix kit and it's gonna take care of that for you. Questions, comments, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. Click the link or head to Rocky Mountain's website to grab yours today. I'm Chase. Thanks for watching.